Starting a new chapter, unveiling its meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and widely used phrase in the English language, starting a new chapter. This expression is rich with meaning and can be applied in various aspects of life. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Stay tuned to enrich your English vocabulary and understanding. The phrase, starting a new chapter, is a metaphorical expression used to describe the beginning of a new phase or period in one's life. This can refer to any significant change or fresh start, such as moving to a new city, starting a new job, beginning a new relationship, or embarking on any new journey that marks a departure from one's previous circumstances or routines. The word chapter here is borrowed from the context of books, symbolizing a new section in the story of one's life. The term comes from the literary world, where a chapter is a distinct section of a book. By comparing life to a book, this phrase beautifully illustrates how our lives are made up of different sections, each with its unique experiences and lessons. It's a positive and hopeful expression, often used to signify optimism and anticipation for the future. When someone says they are starting a new chapter, it implies they are leaving behind old patterns or experiences and moving forward with hope and new possibilities. After retiring from her job of 30 years, Mrs. Thompson felt like she was starting a new chapter in her life. Moving to Canada marks the beginning of a new chapter for our family, filled with new opportunities and adventures. Graduating from college and starting a new chapter in the professional world can be both exciting and daunting. You can use starting a new chapter to express a significant change in your life or to support friends and family going through transitions. It's a versatile phrase, perfect for formal and informal settings. When you notice someone embarking on a new journey, encourage them by acknowledging this new chapter. It shows empathy and understanding of the significance of their life changes. We hope this video has shed light on the beautiful and hopeful phrase, starting a new chapter. Life is an incredible journey filled with numerous chapters, each with its own set of challenges and triumphs. Embracing the start of a new chapter is embracing growth and new beginnings. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best as you start your own new chapters, whatever they may be. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and growing.